Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike for Shadowy Scripts. Today, we're talking about managing prediabetes and diabetes through diet. Did you know that the food you eat plays a huge role in controlling your blood sugar levels? Making smart food choices can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive into the foods you should avoid if you're pre-diabetic or diabetic and what you can choose instead. Remember, I'm here to provide helpful information, but always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Now let's get started. Let's kick things off with sugary beverages like soda, fruit juices, sweetened teas, and sports drinks. These drinks are sugar bombs disguised as thirst quenchers, causing rapid blood sugar spikes. This spike can lead to insulin resistance, progressing to prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. Plus, excess sugar intake is linked to weight gain, especially around your midsection, increasing your risk of chronic conditions. Whole fruit is packed with nutrients and fiber, but fruit juice is often stripped of its fiber, leaving concentrated sugar. So, what can you sip on instead? Water is always the best choice. It's calorie-free, sugar-free, and keeps you hydrated. Unsweetened tea, coffee, in moderation, and sparkling water are also great alternatives. Making these swaps can help you manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Stay tuned for more tips. Next up, let's talk about white bread, white rice, and pasta. These refined grains have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients during processing. Without fiber, refined grains are quickly broken down into sugar, leading to rapid increases in blood glucose levels. This spike can wreak havoc on your body, increasing your risk of weight gain, heart disease, and other health problems. So, what's the swap? Choose whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These options are packed with fiber, nutrients, and will keep you feeling fuller for longer. Look for 100% whole grain on the label to make sure you're getting the real deal. Try cauliflower rice as a low-carb alternative to white rice or zucchini noodles instead of pasta. Enjoy your carbs without the blood sugar roller coaster. Now, let's talk about fried foods. They're crispy, crunchy, and satisfying, but fried foods are a major no-no for your health. They're loaded with unhealthy fats, particularly trans fats, linked to heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Trans fats raise bad cholesterol levels and lower good cholesterol levels, creating a recipe for disaster in your arteries. Fried foods are often high in calories and low in nutrients, contributing to weight gain and worsening insulin resistance. When foods are fried at high temperatures, harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs, are created. AGEs have been linked to inflammation and oxidative stress, increasing your risk of chronic diseases, including diabetes. Instead of deep frying, try baking, grilling, roasting, or air frying your favorite foods. These methods help you cut down on unhealthy fats and calories, while still delivering delicious flavor. Let's be honest, we all love a good snack. But processed snacks like chips, cookies, and crackers are loaded with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and refined carbohydrates. These treats are low in fiber and protein, quickly digested, and send your blood sugar soaring. Opt for whole, unprocessed snacks instead. Think fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, or yogurt. These options provide fiber, protein, and essential nutrients that will keep you feeling satisfied and your blood sugar levels stable. And remember, portion control is key even with healthy snacks. Now let's talk dairy. Dairy products can be a great source of calcium and protein, but not all dairy is created equal. High-fat dairy products like full-fat milk, cheese, butter, and ice cream can be high in saturated fat. Saturated fat has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and may worsen insulin resistance. Choose low-fat or fat-free milk, yogurt, and cheese to get your dairy fix without the added saturated fat. For yogurt, be mindful of added sugars. Choose plain yogurt and add your own fruit for sweetness and flavor. For those who are lactose intolerant or avoid dairy, there are plenty of plant-based milk alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. Just be sure to choose unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. So there you have it, a rundown of some of the top foods to avoid if you're pre-diabetic or diabetic. Managing your blood sugar levels is crucial for your overall health and well-being. By making smart food choices, you can help regulate your blood sugar, reduce your risk of complications, and live a healthier life. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and advice. Until next time, stay healthy.